So a chance here for San Beda to close it out and take their second straight win. San Sebastian, on the other hand, trying to survive. And Habacon scores from the back.
Yes, you can see Martin talagang nag-e-enjoy na lang sa paglalaro itong San Beda. Parang kada movement nila, 100% nilang ginagawa.
That's right. Itong si Angel Habacon only had one blocker in that sequence. Pero chance ball to. Palahadya to Ramos. Palahadya. Gonzales naman ang sinetapan. Good targeting, but just a little wide.
It was out?
It was out,
Yeah.
It's not going to be challenged by Coach Roger.
Yeah, actually, Martin Bong, akala ko point siya.
Inside, ano?
Yeah, kasi ang ganda ng attack.
Yeah.
Itong si Gonzales.
Eto siya, babawi. And again, the effort
Ooh.
on the floor defense leading to that attack by Habacon.
Yeah, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, Martin, na yung reaction nitong San Sebastian, medyo kinukulang sila. Kasi kitang-kita na hindi napapaluin ni Angel Habacon. So, ready na lang talaga dun sa off-speed.
Yeah. Yung reaction, nauhuli from Baste. At kanina pa yan, napapansin ni Coach Roger. Pachar overcooking it. Everybody signaling for a check ball on San Beda's side. Okay. Block touch meron kaya.
Mukhang umamin na.
Umamin?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, umamin na.
Maraming ganyan ngayong season dito sa NC. Yan.
Feeling ko kasi kung patatagalin pa, like yung momentum din, medyo mahirap kapag nawala eh.
Baka maputol.
Yeah.
Back set for Bachar. Oh, good coverage this time from Abraham. Gonzales popped up by Campos de la Cruz. Santos keeping it alive. Gonzales will try. Habacon was right there. Bachar.
Oh!
Miss hit coming from Bachar.
Medyo nasa ilalim siya ng bola sa attack na yon. At kita ko yung intention niya na kailangan niya lang ipasok.
Yeah.
But yeah, medyo short.
It was a hard-earned point for San Sebastian. Unang puntos nila dito sa third set. De la Cruz. Ramos. Oh, hindi tatawid.
Good effort from Ramos.
5-1 lead. This is the fastest start from San Beda dito sa laban natin.
Well, kita-kita rin naman natin, Martin, na yung kumpiyansa nila buong-buo na. Like parang yung makikita mo sa face nila na wala nang makakabasag sa kanila. Nakita ko nga kanina si Angel, humabol siya ng bola pero nakangiti siya. Like, talagang makikita mong nag-enjoy na lang siya sa paglalaro.
Ganun na yung energy sa side ng San Beda. And this is the flow that they want. Kumbaga, kanina it took them a while eh. Lalo ng first set natin, slow start, but eventually, they got back to their system.
Yeah, nung first set natin, nahihirapan pa silang makuha yung momentum. But then, hindi sila nag-stop. And now, kanilang-kanila na yung momentum.
Sinusubukang pigilan to ng San Sebastian. But we also have to commend both liberos of San Beda. Grabe yung effort nila dito. Both Campos and Flores. That's EJ Campos and Mikay Flores. Angel will fly. Palahadya. Abraham with the off-speed. Back to Angel, they go. Ito, set up papunta kay Ramos. Santos with the effort. Habacon tracks it down. Bachar off the block.
Kita ko, Martin, yung hawak sa kamay ni Kat Santos nung tumama yung bola sa kanya. Parang medyo masakit nga yun, Kat.
Masakit yun. Kita mo. Parang nabura yung buong left arm ni Kat.
Well, grabe rin talaga magpa-check ball. Itong si
Bachar yan.
Si Bachar,
Klein Abraham as yet to score in this match. Angel catches the line.
Wow! High contact. Galing dito kay Angel Habacon.
San Beda is in full control here in the third set. Pagbalik po natin, we'll hear from Miss Chantal Laude.
Mga kapuso, patuloy-tuloy lang po ang volleyball action dito sa San Andres Sports Complex para sa Season 101 Women's Volleyball. Para kay Head Coach Kung Fu Reyes, he wants his team to live up to their name as the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Dahil kanina nga, klaro po ang kanyang instructions that he wants his team to put all of their efforts to ensure the highest average and the highest percentage of accuracy para sa kanilang spikers. Kailangan niya ng good receive, good set to ensure this. And speaking of spikers, one of your most reliable, Angel Habacon, is delivering no less than expected. Pwede nyo nga sa akin kanina, alam na raw nila ang pakiramdam ng nasa ibaba coming from their journey last season. Kaya naman ngayon daw, they are seeing their breakthrough. Kaya Team Captain Angel want to show all her willingness to win and how she's locked in this season. With the hopes, of course, that her team will look up to her as an inspirational team captain. Yan muna, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Miss Chantal Laude, with a report galing kay Coach Kung Fu Reyes and Angel Habacon. But we have a timeout here. Mamaya, balikan natin yung report ni Chantal.
Ano bang problema? Todo-todo yung palo niya, ang baba ng abot niya sa bola. Nandun na sa kamay ng blocker, o paano lalampas yan? Kahit kayong pinakamalakas sa mundo, hindi naman tatangay ng lakas ng palo niya yung blocker eh. Doon yung sa taas padaanin. Ikaw, diretso sa block. Ito, diretso sa net. Isang patala papalo niya. At talagang iyo, alam nga naman akin. Ako ba pumalo?
Hindi nga naman kay Coach. Diba? This is...
Napayuko na lang ako.
But, you know, you sense the frustration mula dito kay Coach Roger. Dun sa report kanina ni Chantal, Coach Kung Fu continues to unlock, diba, and maximize the potential of his players here, including a player who we thought was maximized already,
Yes,
in
yes.
Angel Habacon. And I correct myself. Kanina sabi ko Maizo Puntillas. Hindi pala. I was thinking of Jovelyn Gonzaga
Jov, yeah.
sa Army. Yan,
Oh,
yung
yeah,
kinoach
kasi
ni Coach Kung Fu.
parehas lefty.
Yun.
Yeah.
Tama. Sabi ko, nalito ako dun. Okay.
Actually, marami namang nalilito talaga sa kanilang dalawa.
Totoo ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maraming nalilito.
So safe ako.
Kahit ako rin. Kahit
Nalilito
ako
ka
rin.
rin?
Minsan. Yeah, minsan.
Di ba?
Yeah. Parehas
Oh.
kasing lefty. And parehas din kasi sila the way they play.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, yung decision making nila sa loob ng court, parehas din silang maganda pumasa.
Yeah.
So, madalas talaga silang
Napagpapalit.
Papalit,
Oo.
yeah.
Ayan, paumanhin po. 12-2 for San Beda here in the third set. Blowing this set wide open, and that's the run-ender provided by Tina Marasigan.
And yes, yun yung tingin kong hinahanap ni Coach Roger Gurayev sa mga spikers niya. Kasi kanina pa nga nabablock itong mga wing spikers niya. Hinahanapan niya ng variation. Kumbaga,
Yeah.
kung gusto nyong ipahaba, habaan niyo yung palo.
Correct.
Kuhain niyo sa taas para hindi kayo ma-check. So, yeah. Yun yung kailangan i-execute nitong San Sebastian.
So, na pinag-uusapan natin kanina during our pre-game or pre-prod kung ano ba ang safe lead sa volleyball.
Yeah.
And the consensus was 10 points.
10 points, yes.
Kanina, 10-point lead ang San Beda. We'll see if it'll hold true in this match. Pero ito, dalawang sunod mula sa San Sebastian.
Yeah. Kapag ganyan na kasi yung score, parang Well, kailangan ng San Beda na mas maging consistent pa. Kumbaga, hindi nila pabayaan na or hindi sila makampante na meron silang ganyan kalaking points. Challenge naman ito para sa ating San Sebastian na mas trabahuhin pa and mas mag-effort pa para mahabol nila yung puntos.
Ito na. Tinatrabaho na ng San Sebastian. Tepusoy able to score on this spike. So 12-5, tatlong sunod mula sa Baste. Do they have more in the tank? Bachar, bumalik. Angel. Palahadia, underhand setup. Good reaction from De La Cruz, but it's a chance ball given to San Sebastian. Tina Marasigan just drops it. Middle attack. That works for KJ Junicio.
KJ Junicio, yun yung nabanggit ko, Roger, na habaan nyo na lang. Kasi nga, yung mga blockers, nakabantay na sa net. So, pag binaon mo, talagang mabablock. So, yeah, magandang execution to. Galing kay Junicio.
Long ball na siya, no?
Yeah.
So, 4 zip run. Care of San Sebastian. Bachar!
Ooh.
With a cross-court kill.
Late blockers dito sa San Sebastian. That's why, easy point for Bachar. Kitang-kita niya yung cross, no?
16 puntos na para dito kay Janelle Bachar, who is right on her average at 15.8 points per match. Ito si Gracie Hiponia. Initially, the primary setter, pero si Gina Espina yung mas bumabad sa laban na to. Kat Molina is rejected.
Good block. Coming from Junicio. Kita niya ang cross na. Itong papaluin.
Good
Ganda,
read.
ganda ng sahod. Yeah. Actually, late siya. Hindi siya nakastable.
Correct.
Pero yung kamay niya, naihabol niya pa doon.
Umabot.
Yeah.
7-13. Good reaction from Mikay Flores. Ooh, Angel.
Oh.
Powering that one through.
That's a point for the
Wow.
Women's Spiker.
Yun ang ano, pinasag.
Grabe.
Ano,
Parang gusto kong matry na i-block yung palo niya. Like, parang
Talaga?
gaano ba kalakas?
Oo nga.
Parang ganon.
para maramdaman mo,
Yeah.
ano?
Feeling ko kailangan lang ng mga blockers ng San Sebastian na mas ipasok pa yung kamay nila sa loob para wala nang maging option yung attacks nitong si Angel Habacon. Kasi once na nagkaroon ng gap or open area sa blockings, talagang lulusot at lulusot yung bola ng
Exactly.
Angel.
Napakataas ng percentage nito.
Yeah.
Kahit dalawa iba mo sa kanya.
Yeah.
Di ba? Nakakalusot.
Yeah.
Ball is still in play. Gonzalez on the second try. Marasigan from behind the line. Habacon was there. This is an overpass. Angel still at it. Palahadia to KJ. Palahadia backs it this time. D-ball. And Marasigan is able to score.
Marasigan from the back row. Able to score. Medyo nagkakaroon na ng tawag dito, ng smile itong San Sebastian. Kasi parang wala na silang kailangang, kumbaga, wala nang pressure sa kanila. Merong pressure kasi kailangan nilang humabol. Pero parang nothing to lose na itong San Sebastian. So, kailangan na lang nilang kumilos ng maayos sa loob ng court.
Medyo loose na sila, no?
Yes, yeah.
So, kanina, na ibaba sa 5 puntos. Ito nga banda ng San Beda. But now it's back to 6 off a service error, which for San Sebastian did not need at this point. Erin Navarro will start. Better first ball here. Juna Gonzalez off the hands of the blockers.
Juna Gonzalez.
So we're
Good
seeing
attack.
some fight back from San Sebastian.
Yes. Ito yung kailangan alagaan ng San Sebastian kasi nakukuha na nila paunti-unti yung momentum na meron sila.
Yeah. So, Juna Gonzalez getting into her rhythm today. Here's Hiponia over to De La Cruz. Well read by Balahadia. Molina. Marasigan has a chance and she will score
Tina
from the
Marasigan.
opposite side. That's a good attempt coming from Tina Marasigan, who now has 8 points off the bench. Ito na ang San Sebastian. 4 na lang ang hinahabol from 10 points down.
Eh, yung sinasabi ko, Martin, na hindi pwedeng mag-relax itong San Beda.
You mentioned that earlier.
Yeah.
Cross court. It's good from Kat Molina.
Molina.
And that'll bring us to the second technical timeout.
Second technical timeout of set number
Kanina pa hinahanap ni Molina itong cross court na to. Finally, getting one down. We'll be back after this.
Spikers.
We resume our coverage of NCAA Season 101 on GTV and Heart of Asia. Ito yung naging palitan natin ng punto so far, Shola. Ganto, inuunti-unti ng San Sebastian
Yes.
itong lamang ng Lady Red Spikers.
Yeah, mas okay yung ginagalaw nila ngayon compared the last 2 sets. Kasi last 2 sets, parang 4 runs yung nakukuha nitong San Beda. Pero this time, napuputol nila agad yung momentum ng San Beda.
And they've shown that capability. First 2
Yes.
sets natin, sila lagi yung merong magandang simula. Dito, naghahabol pero eto, nakuha ulit yung rhythm nila. Balahadia to Gonzalez. Eto, yun yung adjustment ng San Beda on Gonzalez. Depusoy sending that one straight to the net.
We don't want that
17-11.
error.
Yeah.
Hindi natin gustong makita yung mga ganong error, lalo na kapag naghahawal ng score.
And again, San Sebastian now has to adjust to the adjustment of San Beda. And that's one way to do it.
Yes.
Drop ball and a mid-air change of
Yan.
approach.
Ganda nung naging decision niya mid-air. Na-drop ball na lang. Kasi kung papaluin mo ka, may dalawang blockers na nakaharang sa'yo eh.
Yan. Yung sinasabi natin na, reacting to what is being given to you. De La Cruz. Pati net defense ng San Sebastian. Tumibay na rin.
Yeah.
For the ladies' tag.
And nagkakaroon na ng miscommunication dito sa San Beda, Lady Red Spikers.
So we'll see.
Yeah, and dito natin makikita, Martin, kumbaga challenge to sa San Beda Lady Red Spikers kung paano sila mas magiging buo during times na ganitong situation.
Ano to? Character building
Yes.
situation
Yeah.
for San Beda as De La Cruz scores right there, targeting down the line. Now she'll be coming from the back as she serves. Back set for Gonzalez. Juna effective even on this side of the court.
Kita niya na off-timing na yung mga blockers niya. Si Angel na lang naiwan doon.
Now serving for the ladies' tag.
And she knew what she had to do and where to target the ball. Uy! Outside.
Service goes out.
Yun yung sakit kanina ng San Sebastian.
Now serving
Ending
for
their
the
own
Lady Red
momentum.
Spikers. Bea
Well,
Custodio.
we don't want to see that.
Oo.
Yung mga ganong klaseng error.
Masakit yan eh.
Lalo na sa service area. Kasi kumbaga, service area, ikaw lang mag-isa doon eh. Kumbaga, ikaw yung may control.
Exactly.
Tina
And at a
Marasigan.
crucial juncture as well.
Yes.
Eto, Tina Marasigan was able to fire back.
Now serving for San Sebastian.
Targeting was at zone 6. Oh, sa gitna, no?
Yeah, zone 6.
15-19 is the tally. Flores again making something out of that.
Oh,
Pero sobra yung atake ni Bachar.
Attack goes out.
There's a
There was
check
a
ball.
check.
Yeah. We saw KJ admit to it.
yeah.
Additional fault. That's a point
20 to
for
15.
San Beda.
Feeling ko may part, feeling ko may, ano,
Mami na, coach!
may,
Timeout. San
Mami na,
Sebastian
coach, okay na po.
ladies tag.
Ayan, pakinggan natin si Coach Roger.
May mga aksidente naman sa atin dahil nagpapabalaki dahil sa lima ano naman. Di ba alam ka na mga aksidente tayo bukas magaling na agad, bukas magaling na agad. Bayo ko.
Mag-isip kayo. Hindi yung gusto. Papaano sa kasi sa inyo?
That was the voice of Coach Kung Fu and the video of Coach Roger. But you sense the frustration from both coaches
Yeah.
kasi on Coach Kung Fu's side, nahabol yung lamang nila. Coach Roger, napuputol yung momentum nila.
kumbaga, parang nalipat dito sa San Beda yung pressure. Kasi nga, 10 points yan eh,
Ah.
kanina, yung lead nila. But this time, 5 points na lang.
We started 12-2 in favor of
Yeah.
San Beda. And again, San Sebastian playing better in this stretch. Habakon had to stop and take on a sharp cross-court hit.
Yeah. Malinang pagkabasa sa cross-court.
Yeah. Angel Habakon with yet another point.
Well, mahirap din naman siya basahin kasi single block lang. So,
Ah.
mas malaki yung responsibility mo dun sa area since isa na lang yung blocker na naiwan.
That's right. Oh! Tina Marasigan.
Tina Marasigan.
Wow, grabe. Narinig ko yung putok ng bola.
Lutong, ano?
Yung sound ng bola.
At this point, allows her to reach double figures with 10 points. Razor sharp hit coming from Tina Marasigan.
Yeah.
Quickly hitting the ground. And a good serve to follow it up. Habakon. Chance for Baste. They go to the Pusoy. Deflected. 1-2 play!
Oh!
Good decision from Espina.
Yeah. Kita niyang nag-struggle pa yung defense nitong San Sebastian Ladies Tags.
22-16.
On deck to serve for the Lady Red Spikers.
The Lady Red Spikers are 3 points away from their 5th win. Angel. Palahadia to KJ. Wow! Habakon digging it up. Back row hit. Angel with a coverage again. De La Cruz
Oh!
with a feisty hit.
Wow, sabi ni De La Cruz, Angel, hindi ko sasayangin yung depensa mo. Kasi dalawang magandang defense galing dito kay Angel Habakon.
Natatawag mo ba yung puto? Hindi pa.
Hindi
Dapat
pa.
mas solid,
Yeah,
ano?
yeah, mas
Yeah.
solid. Kasi ano eh, hindi siya nakapwesto
Ah.
doon sa area. Kumbaga hindi siya nakatapat. Talagang dinalaw niya lang yung katawan niya, kaya niya nakuha yung bola.
Kasi kinailangan niyang habulin, ano?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But she commits the
Change
service
ball
error,
forward. Now
leaving
serving for the ladies tag.
the window slightly open for San Sebastian.
May chance pa itong San Sebastian.
Yeah. Here's the bring. Ooh! KJ. De La Cruz. Lazarte tracking it down. Gonzalez
Oh!
puts it through.
Juna Gonzalez.
Di pa tapos ang San Sebastian.
Patuloy pang kumukuha ng point itong si Gonzalez.
But this is gonna be a steep climb for Baste and Coach Kung Fu. Wants to talk
Bakit
things over.
lamang yung counter defense natin sa kabila, nagkukunwari na lang kayo, nagkukumplay na lang kayo. Bakit? Wala na kayo sa tamang pwesto eh. Kita mo, ang established ng depensa natin, wala din. Bakit? Ang gulo kasi yung sa harap. Balikan nyo ba rin? Ang score pa lang 23-18. Walang natatapos sa 23. Tapusin nila maayos. I-close nyo yung block para yung depensa natin maayos. Atake tayo, pwede ka magpa-play 2. Go!
Yeah, that's what I said earlier kanina. Na kapag maayos yung defense nyo sa net, maayos rin yung magiging defense nyo sa likod. Kasi kumbaga, ano lang susundan nyo lang kung ano yung pattern na meron kayo.
Yeah. And when your defense at the net is set up, napapabagal yung bola.
Yes.
Diba? Mas madaling kunin.
Yeah.
And De La Cruz responds after the timeout. And that sets up San Beda here in the match.
University Lady Red
Only
Spikers
1 point
are now
away
at match point.
from back-to-back wins for Coach Kung Fu's team.
Number 16, Erin Navarro out. Number 5, China Castillo in.
Oh. Castillo
Castillo.
entering the match for the
China
first time.
Castillo
This is
now
China
serving for the
Castillo,
match.
one of the vets left on this Lady Red Spikers squad. KJ, good reaction from Bachar, pero walang ibang kumuha nung second ball.
That's a
Yeah, hindi
point
pa daw
for
tapos.
San Sebastian.
Sabi ni Junicio,
They save 1 match point.
yeah.
KJ Junicio now serving
There's
for the
KJ.
Lady Stags.
Good sharp one unleashed. And an ace from Junicio.
Medyo ano lang to medyo rare yung nakita natin na magkaroon ng ace.
Exactly.
Diba?
Score
First
is
2 sets,
20.
walang
Yeah.
ace ang San
Serving
Sebastian.
24.
KJ again. Abacon with a better pickup. Pero hindi tumawid yung atake ni Custodio.
The pressure is on para sa ating San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Timeout.
Coach
San
Kung
Beda
Fu.
Lady Red Spikers.
Much needed timeout.
Huwag yung laruin na ano, ha? Alanganin binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon si Bea. Ang baba naman ng bola. Mababa, matuto din sa sitwasyon na gawin. Papalay mo din na mababa. I-over mo lang muna, ibigay mo sa block, recover mo. Bakit tayo, hoy? Baka, binigyan natin ng
A needed timeout. Also a
Yeah.
tactical timeout by Coach Kung Fu. Para tignan natin kung maapektuhan si Junicio.
Still serving
What I really
for
like
San
about
Sebastian.
Coach Kung Fu, talagang nama-maximize niya yung
Yeah,
timeout.
that's true.
Lahat ng info na kailangan niya sabihin sa mga players, nasasabi niya.
De La Cruz. Gonzales ang nagdala kay Marasigan. Buhay pa ang San Sebastian.
Tina Marasigan.
Good execution there. From Marasigan.
Wow.
Marasigan. Talagang, talagang parang safe na lang yung pagpalo niya sa bola. Na-convert pa niya yung point.
4 straight for Paste. Angel from the back row. Kept alive. Gonzales gives it up. And a chance to end the match for San Beda. De La Cruz through the blockers.
De La Cruz.
And that's the winning point for the San Beda Lady Red Spikers here in set number 3.
Binasag yung mga blockers nitong San Sebastian. Sabi niya, ito na, tatapusin ko na.
Requesting the players, please
San
line up
Beda
for your respective
finally
opponents.
getting that elusive match point. And our player of the match. We have to commend both liberos. Pero
Yes.
itong feature natin si Mikay Flores, 13 digs and 6 receptions.
Yes, for me, yung two liberos talaga ng San Beda, yung pinaka nagdala ng game na to.
The final score, it's a straight sets win for the San Beda Lady Red Spikers, 25-21, 25-17, and 25-22. Let's go to the school.